boom, now I'm really doing it. This is year 10. I took off earlier, but yeah, it's just time flies when you're actually passionate and you're consistent with it. This past Christmas 2021, I got my first 3D printer. I've just always been ahead of times with digital photography and everything, with social media picking up and various different avenues on how to display your artwork. I have a virtual reality art gallery. You know, like it's really going different places. And in order to keep up, you kind of gotta be ahead. So with that, I jumped into the 3D printing, and I did one printer 2021 in Christmas. Now I'm up to 3, and yeah, I love it. Hopefully at the next event I see you guys at, you'll have greater, bigger things to look at, so you can see the growth within the company and the business. But as a pointer or advice or anything I have for you, it's pretty much just consistency, and know what you're doing and be your own support system. I have very different business ventures than all my family, so I don't really have support in like guidance of direction. So I'm doing it all me, and it's working. So in order to do that though, you have to silence the naysayers, silence the negative doubt thoughts, and just know like what I'm doing now, is this the step that I need to take for my goal? If it's not, I'm done with it. If it is, I'm gonna continue doing it, and I'm gonna show consistency with it. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Thank you.